Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a CPS sandwich. Now, what you see in that crock pot right there is our pizza sauce for it. I'll quickly give you the recipe. 28 ounces of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter to a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like your sauce. Put it in the slow cooker, put it on low, and let it go for a couple of hours. Now, as you can see here, I have our loaf of French bread ready to go. And first thing we're going to lay down is a nice little layer of chicken. Then we're going to layer a nice layer of deli-style pepperonis. And then for our other cured meat, I think you know what it is. If my dumbass could ever get the package open. You want to layer a nice little layer of salami. Then we want to go with a nice little layer of provolone cheese. And then we want to add a layer of cheddar. And then you want to pop this into a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes, or until the cheese is all melty and bubbly and wonderful and everything's got a chance to know each other. Okie dokie, through the magic of cooking show editing, our sandwich is done. Now, you just want to add some of that pizza sauce, add a generous amount. This ain't exactly a clean sandwich. It's a little bit sloppy. And again, I always like extra sauce. And then pop the top on. And that's it. The CPS sandwich. Done.